Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit now about foreground and background and how they're useful. And the time I guess I've used it the most is when I've been programming. So I have a little programming set up here. If we look, I have a really small C program, and it's in a directory. So what I want to do is one of the ideas of programming is you have to go back and forth between the command line and your code. So we're going to do that. Let me put up the program. So I'm going to edit it. So I'm here and I'm editing it. It's already written. It may or may not be correct. Actually, it is correct. I'm pretty sure. But what I'm going to do is now VI is in the foreground, right? It's occupied my screen. You can see it's here on the screen. It's got a little VI tildes going down the side. So I'm in VI. I can get out of VI, and I'm going to hold down Control and hit the Z key. Right now that stops VI, so it's put it into the background, but it's brought me to the command line. So if I do, like for instance, to look at the jobs I have running, I type in jobs, and you can see job number 1 stopped is running VI. If I want to get back to the VI, I can put it back to the foreground, typing FG. See, now it's back in the foreground. It's where I'm doing it. So I'm going to hit Control Z. We'll stop it, put it to the background, and I'm going to compile it. We'll do GCC hello.c. Okay, and see, I have a stray quote floating around in the program. So I'm going to hit FG, go back to my code, look around for the stray quote, which I don't see. Oh, man. Oh, there it is. It's down there. I thought it was a tilde. Get rid of that line. You know what I hit, right? You heard 2 clicks. That was a DD. Okay, so I fixed my program. I'm going to make sure I write to my code. I haven't quit. I just wrote it. Control Z out of the command line. Hit the up arrow. Compile it. Oh, now it's complaining about something else, right? So I'm going to go pop it back up. I'm going to let's stick in some lines. I hit Shift O there to open some stuff up, and I'm going to pound include standard IO.h. Right, so we have that in there. We're going to avoid hitting Emacs commands and hit escape, write. Right, write the file. Control Z, go back to the operating system. Hit the up arrow, find my GCC, compile it again. Right now it's in there. I compiled it. To run it, I actually type 8.0. There's my edit out. So you see I went back and forth between my code and running it, right, and compiling it and going back and forth. So this is sort of the way programmers did it for a very long time, with just one screen to be able to do a bunch of different things, using the foreground and the background, right, the FG to bring it up, and to do that. So that's sort of the productive environment that this worked with.